What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is December 26th and I'm gonna bring you guys with me to do some errands. I'm gonna tell you guys later kung ano ba yung gagawin natin today. First, we have to get ready. So I'm gonna show you the products that I've been using lately. And ito yung una. Yung Cetaphil na Bright Healthy Radiance Brightness Refresh Toner. Ayan. Nung high school ako guys, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser yung nagamit ko na nawala yung pimples ko. But ayan, nagka-breakout ako here sa left side ko. Ewan ko bakit. But it's okay. And by the way, baka you're wondering bakit merong mga Band-Aid yung aking cap ng toner ko. Kasi this is the toner that I bought in Singapore and nirap ko siya ng scotch tape or packing tape yung ginamit ko pauwi here sa Pilipinas. So, ayoko nung parang sticky feels ng cap. So, I wrapped it with Band-Aid. Ayan. So, ayan. Konti na lang siya actually. And usually night ko lang siya ginagamit with cotton pads. But now, I'm trying to use it kapag umaga. Before I put on sunscreen, natap-tap ko lang siya sa face ko. Yeah. So, yeah. Ayan. Pull them out lang. Pull them out. Then, ayan. Dito lang talaga guys yung pimples. Actually, ano na lang siya. Acne marks. Hindi ko din niya alam, but dumami yung pimples ko. Usually, hindi talaga ako nagkaka-pimples ng ganito. So, yeah. I'm gonna use my OG. This is not sponsored by the way, but this is my OG sunscreen ever since senior high school or 10th grade. Ito na yung ginagamit ko. This is the Bello Sonex Pure Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++++. Ay, ano siya? Hindi ko na maisip ko nakailang bottles ako sa ilang years. Pero I always have two with me. And nag-sale siya sa Watsons last November or this December lang. Basta yun. Sa Shopee, I'm gonna link it down below as well. Kasi meron pa silang buy one take one sa Shopee mall mismo ng Bello Essentials. So, yeah. Ito. Also, guys, yung favorite ko na sunscreen ever since nung high school is yung Bure. Yung parang milk chuchu nila na sunscreen. Ngayon yung ginagamit ko is eto. Yung UV Aqua Rich. Ayan. If ayaw nyo ng tinted, then eto I recommend. But sometimes kasi it depends. So, it depends on your skin. Okay. Ayan na. And then, after that, concealer and then blush. For my concealer, guys, mayroon ako ditong concealer na binigay sa akin ng friend ko. Gumagamit din ako neto noon in different shade. But, my friend gave me this one. So, parang yung shade niya, parang lighter. So, it kinda like gives me a brightening effect. Yung, concealer na to. kind of gives a brightening effect. So, and by the way, this is in the shade, yung shade na to. Oh my god, wala na. Hindi ko na makita yung shade niya. Ayan. And then for my blush, I'm using this one. This is the Sunny's Face na liquid blush in the shade Shrub. And the little goes a long way. Very pigmented niya. This is the Real Techniques na brush. And ginagamit ko siya for the blush. Kahit na hindi siya for the blush. Okay, I'm gonna blend it again later. Let me use my mirror. Yung mirror ko pala neto, guys, is bigay pa sa akin nung friend ko nung debut ko. So it was 5 years ago na. Oh. Diba? So guys, nakat yung video, but I just wanna like share to you if ano yung errands natin mamaya. So our first errands is I have to do grocery, and then second, mag-meet up tayo sa bibili ng iPad ko. My iPad is a 9th generation na 64 gig in the color silver. And I've been using this iPad since 4th year college until review days. Nung kumuha ko nung Philippine Nurse Licensure exam, nung board exam. And then, nung first year college naman ako, yung first iPad ko talaga is yung 8th generation in color white and rose gold ba yun or gold? Basta yun. And then, I upgraded it to 9th generation. So ngayon, I'm planning to upgrade it again. So instead of upgrade or trade-in ba yung tawag nun, merong akong kakilalang interested siya sa iPad. Bibigyan niya sa anak niya. So, yun, ibibigay ko na lang. I'm gonna sell it to her. So, yun yung meetup natin. So, I have to reset the iPad. Ayan. In pristine condition talaga, guys, yung iPad. Sabi ko, ibibigay ko sa mama ko, pero ayaw niya ng iPad. So, ginagamit niya to minsan. Ayan. Mag-games. And, yun, sa cellphone niya meron din. So, sabi niya, i-let go mo na yan and bili ka ng bago. So, yun. I still need an iPad for another license that I've been trying to get. So, yun, hopefully, masishare ko sa inyo soon. That's why I still need to buy an iPad for that. And ginagamit ko naman yung iPad for editing videos, work, and other stuff. So, yun, upgrade na lang tayo. So, I have to say goodbye na sa iPad ko na to. It comes with its original box naman. And 2 cases. Ito yung first case talaga na ginagamit ko nung college. And then, nung review days. Ito. And then, I got a new one. Meron tong kasamang keyboard. Nasira yung keyboard. So, wireless or Bluetooth keyboard siya. Then, it comes with a charger. Yan. And charger ng pen. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga milestones ko in life. Like, kahit sa pag-upgrade lang ng iPad, yung mga ganon. So, I have to let this one go already. And i-ano natin siya. I-reset. Ayun. Erase this iPad. So, yeah. Bye!
May ang cutter.
Cheers, Bob! Flatbread! Makaon ka ron? Smile!
Yes. Dagabon spon sa paglaw.
Where are we going? Bob. Where are we going? To have our massage. Outfit check. Berks, Uniqlo, Uniqlo.
Ano?
Dinangin mo shades, alin? Shades from?
Mall.
Ban? Ang
Arrington.
brand. May mirror.
Ambal mo din halin.
Uniqlo, Uniqlo, Berks.
Ambal mo din halin kang hindi. Sa mall.
Hi, Nanay.
Katingin ambal mo rapid sa Montero.
Bob.
Ilang taon ba?
Ano ra?
After side view.
Ay, di maglupukay.
Ura ron, ubos ko.
Be.